One of the most famous personalities who led many battles against the British was no other than our own Queen Nanny, leader of the Maroons. During the 18th century, Nanny, along with her brothers Akompom, Kwako, Kojo, Johnny, and Kofi, were taken from the Ashanti tribe in Ghana, Africa, where they traveled along the slave ship and journeyed all the way to Jamaica. While living here, Nanny and her brothers escaped British enslavement and went into the mountains. Other slaves began to run from the plantations and followed in her footsteps as well. Nanny assisted all those who tried to escape slavery. Before long, Nanny became the leader of a large community. These escaped slaves were known as the Maroons, and so Nanny became leader of the Maroons. She is responsible for freeing nearly 1,000 enslaved Africans. She taught them how to survive in the mountains and how to protect themselves from British soldiers. Nanny was a very clever woman and was knowledgeable of the guerrilla warfare. As a result of this, it made it very difficult for slaves to be recaptured by British soldiers who went in search of them. The British could not capture the Maroons, and because of this, they offered them a peace treaty. Two of Nanny's brothers signed this treaty. However, Nanny disagreed with it as it would restrict the Maroons from helping other slaves. Nanny was a traditional spiritual leader and would oftentimes encourage the Maroons to continue the customs and traditions of their forefathers. These customs gave the Maroons a sense of identity and pride. Although it is not known when Nanny died, it is believed that she was buried in Moortown on a hill called Bump Grave. Nanny was not able to end slavery, but she fought against it strongly. Her work helped to bring about a quicker end to slavery. In 1982, Nanny of the Maroons was awarded the Order of National Hero by the government of Jamaica. She became the first female awardee and is presently the only heroine, Queen Nanny of the Maroons.